Welcome to this tutorial on how to customize your TD Bank checking account. Customizing your account can help you manage your finances more efficiently and take advantage of the features that TD Bank has to offer. First, log in to your TD Bank online account or mobile banking app. If you have not enrolled in online banking, you can do so by visiting the TD Bank website and following the prompts to sign up. Once you are logged in, you will see an overview of your account. From here, you can navigate to the Account Settings or Preferences section. This is where you can customize your account to suit your needs. One of the first things you can customize is your account alerts. TD Bank allows you to set up alerts for low account balances, large transactions, and other activities. To set up alerts, go to the Alerts section and choose the type of alert you want to receive. You can have alerts sent to your email or mobile device. Next, you can customize your account layout. TD Bank allows you to choose which accounts you want to see on your dashboard and how you want to view your transactions. You can also add or remove accounts from your dashboard. Another feature you can customize is your debit card settings. You can set up debit card alerts, turn your card on or off, and even set up travel notifications. To access these settings, go to the debit card section of your account. You can also customize your overdraft protection. TD Bank offers overdraft protection plans that can help you avoid overdraft fees. To set up overdraft protection, go to the Account Settings section and choose the Overdraft Protection option. In addition to these features, you can also customize your account security. TD Bank offers two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to your account. To set up two-factor authentication, go to the Security Settings section. Finally, you can also customize your account statements. TD Bank allows you to choose how you want to receive your statements, either by mail or online. To set up your statement preferences, go to the Account Settings section. By following these steps, you can customize your TD Bank checking account to suit your needs. Remember to review your account settings regularly to ensure that your account is set up in a way that works best for you. Customizing your account can help you stay on top of your finances and avoid unnecessary fees.